Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how nature and technology compare when it comes to adapting? Today, we're diving into the amazing worlds of axolotls and AI to find out which one truly adapts better. This comparison is fascinating because it connects two seemingly unrelated areas, the natural world and artificial intelligence. By examining how axolotls regenerate and how AI learns, we can gain insights into the wonders of nature and the technology shaping our future. Plus, it raises intriguing questions about how life and technology can learn from each other. 1. Let's start with axolotls. These incredible creatures can regenerate lost limbs, organs, and even parts of their heart. This unique ability helps them thrive in aquatic environments. If they lose a limb to a predator, they can simply regrow it. Isn't that amazing, too? Now, let's shift our focus to AI. AI adapts by learning from data. The more data it processes, the better it gets at recognizing patterns and making decisions. Just like axolotls adjust to their surroundings, AI improves its performance based on experience. Point 3. When it comes to speed, AI takes the lead. It can learn and adapt much faster than any living creature. While an axolotl might take weeks to regenerate a limb, AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds. This rapid processing gives AI a significant advantage in quickly tackling new challenges, whether it's playing chess or diagnosing diseases. Point 4. However, both axolotls and AI have their limitations. The axolotl can regenerate but struggles to adapt to entirely new environments like some other species can. On the other hand, AI learns quickly but lacks the emotional intelligence and creativity that living beings possess. It can analyze data but doesn't truly understand what it's doing. Point 5. Ultimately, both adaptations have their strengths and weaknesses. The axolotl embodies nature's resilience, while AI showcases human innovation. By understanding both, we can appreciate how different forms of adaptation work and how they can complement each other. Want to embrace the idea of adaptation? Start small. Welcome change into your daily routine. For example, try picking up a new skill or hobby. Use online resources or apps to guide your learning, just like how AI processes data. Remember, adapting takes time, whether you're an axolotl or learning something new. One common mistake is thinking that technology can completely replace nature. While AI is powerful, it can't replicate the emotional connections or intricate systems found in living beings. It's crucial to remember that both nature and technology have unique roles in our world. So, who adapts better, axolotls or AI? It seems both have their unique strengths. If you enjoyed this comparison and want to explore more about the wonders of nature and technology, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. The regenerative abilities of the axolotl alongside AI spark our curiosity about both nature and technology. This comparison reveals how different forms of adaptation function in the natural world and in tech, highlighting why this understanding is essential for our future. 1. The axolotl is like a superhero in the animal kingdom. Native to Mexico, these fascinating creatures can regrow limbs, tails, and even parts of their hearts and brains. This remarkable ability is crucial for their survival in the wild. Point 2. On the other hand, we have artificial intelligence, which learns and adapts from data. While it improves over time, it doesn't regenerate like living beings do. Think of it as a super smart calculator that gets better with experience. Point 3. While axolotls can regenerate lost body parts, AI adapts to new information and situations. The axolotl's regeneration is akin to a system upgrade, while AI's learning focuses on evolving its understanding. Both adapt, but in very different ways. 4. Recognizing these differences